So we got this going up. That's stuck on the brake lift. I don't know if they're gonna move that. I hope so. That's also stuck on the lift field. Empty train, thank God. No evac. Sorry, guys. And they also stopped that at the lift hill. Wow. Wow. Okay, they did release that. That's probably why it wouldn't go. And tons of people are leaving. And I don't blame them. Bunch of high schoolers, so that's cool. Maybe that'll drop when the other car hits the brake lift. This is not a picture. Okay, that's back on the brake run. Straight into the station.
Would it be too much to ask if we could make up our minds?
Superman's going again.
Through the snow. Through the field we go, laughing all the way. Farewell to the sea, farewell to the sea. The wind will carry better every train. One last embrace.
Still not moving.
Buster, it may come as a complete surprise to you.
The guy went from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. I see why. Operations are crazy.
All right, wise guy. Where am I?
All right, everybody close your ears again. Cover your ears. Everyone cover your ears once again.